How to connect TapSwap to Binance. Hello and welcome to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can connect TapSwap to Binance. If you want to connect TapSwap to Binance, first of all you will need to ensure that you have active accounts on both TapSwap and Binance. Now if the accounts are active in both the applications, first of all, you need to open your Binance application on your device and here make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are logged into your account, at the top left, you will find the Binance icon. Tap on it and from here tap on your ID and this will copy your ID to clipboard. After doing that, open your Telegram application and here make sure you are logged into your account. Now from this page, you need to select TapSwap bot. If you didn't find this bot from this section, you may also use the search bar at the top and there in the search bar type TapSwap. You will be presented with the search results. Here find TapSwap bot and tap on it to open it. Once it opens, here you need to tap on Start Now button right here. And once doing that, TapSwap will be opened. Now in this page, you need to tap on tax icon next to on at the bottom. Once you tap on this icon, here you will be presented with this interface. You need to select Spatial option next to Cinema. Once you tap on the Spatial, here you will be able to see Binance registration option. Currently, this option is not available here, but you will need to wait for some time to reappear this Binance registration option. Also make sure you have verified your identity and set up two-factor authentication on Binance. Now once you have done that, you need to tap on the Binance registration option from here and then you will need to fill out the registration. After that, you will also need to verify your KYC and once that is complete, you will be asked to enter the Binance ID that we have copied earlier. You need to paste that copied Binance ID of yours on that provided box and then you can tap on Connect button available there. After doing that, you will be able to connect TapSwap to Binance. So by following the steps, you should be able to connect TapSwap to Binance successfully. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.